Good morning, visitors out in our park area and online. Right now we have the Paul R Tregurtha departing through the Duluth Ship Canal. Paul R Tregurtha was built as the William J. DeLancey in 1981 by the American Shipbuilding Company in Lorain, Ohio. She measures 1,013 feet and 6 inches in length, 105 feet in width, and 56 feet in depth. She is powered by two 8,040 horsepower, 6-cylinder Mack diesel engines, which give her a top speed of 14 knots or about 16 miles per hour. She is also equipped with a 1,500 horsepower bow thruster to aid her maneuverability in port. Paul R Tregurtha has 36 hatches on her deck, which open into 5 cargo holds located below deck. Each hatch covering measures 65 by 11 feet and weighs 6 tons each. She has a maximum carrying capacity of 71,300 tons. Above her deck is a 260-foot self-unloading boom, which allows her to unload her own cargo at a rate of 10,000 tons per hour without the aid of shoreside equipment. Paul R Tregurtha is currently owned and operated by the Interlake Steamship Company in Millburg Heights, Ohio. Named in honor of the Vice Chairman of the Interlake Steamship Company, the Tregurtha is known as the Queen of the Lakes for being the longest vessel on the Great Lakes. She was built in 2 sections, which were joined at American Shipbuilding's Lorain Yard, ending that shipyard's long history of Great Lakes shipbuilding. The Tregurtha was built for $60 million and became the flagship of the Interlake fleet. She was rechristened with her current name in 1990 to reflect Interlake's newer owners. Paul R Tregurtha originally loaded iron ore in 2 harbors. They came down here a few days ago to get some repairs done at the Midwest Energy dock, and now they are heading outbound with that iron ore cargo that they loaded in 2 harbors. So once again, we have the Paul R Tregurtha departing through the Duluth Ship Canal, built in 1981. Measures 1,013 feet, 6 inches in length. Maximum carrying capacity of 71,300 tons, owned and operated by the Interlake Steamship Company in Millburg Heights, Ohio. And once again, they're on their way outbound with iron ore pellets for the lower lakes that they loaded in 2 harbors before they came down here to get some repairs done. If you see any crew members on deck as they come through, make sure to give them a big wave and wish them a safe and uneventful trip.
How many feet long is the Paul R Tregurtha?